This is Catherine from the QuickBooks team. Books Close is a feature in Intuit Accountant Suite that helps firms manage their monthly close process in one place. In this video, we'll review Books Close settings and walk through how to onboard a client and create additional closes. Before onboarding a client, complete your firm setup in Books Close settings. This includes creating or updating your close template and confirming your assignee roles. By default, admin users have access to Books Close settings. Admins can grant this access to additional firm roles as needed. In the Templates tab, create or edit the template that defines your close workflow. In the Preferences tab, confirm your close assignee roles. These roles will be assigned to team members during client onboarding. When your setup is complete, return to the Books Close overview page. When you're ready, select Onboard Close Client. By default, admin users have access to onboard clients, and admins can grant this access to additional firm roles. In the Onboard Close Client window, select the Client dropdown and choose the client you want to onboard. Next, select the close template you want to apply. The template's tasks are copied into this client's close. Select the Period dropdown and choose the closing period. Assign a team member to each assignee role. Each role allows only one user. Select Save and Start Close to begin working on that close immediately. Or select Save to complete onboarding and return to the overview page. You'll see a new row for that client, showing the period and assigned roles. To create another close for the same client, select Create Close on the Overview page. In the Create Close drawer, confirm the client and select the new period. Select Save to create the close. You can also select Create Close from the Action dropdown for that client. You'll now see an additional row for the same client with the new period. Now you know how to onboard a client and create additional closes in Books Close.